Chapter 11, Boolean Logic, Compound Statements. In this tutorial, we will talk about compound statements. Okay, look at the image here. These are transistors. These transistors can be combined into logic circuits. For example, this board that you see here, there are many transistors inside of it. They could be AND or NOR. Why do we combine them like this? In order to solve problems using Boolean logic. So these transistors help us to achieve the correct results. Let's look at this example in order to understand this concept better. If we wanted to select red or blue, medium-sized t-shirts priced no more than $50 from a shop, how can we write this through coding? We could write the statement as, if the if is a condition, color equal red or blue. Why did we use or? Because this is what is stated in the question. We have or between red or blue. Now we write the word and. Why? Because and means that all the other conditions that are before or after should be achieved. Now we write size equal M, which is medium, and. So now we have two and. Finally, price is equal to or less than $50. So we translated this example into a code. We have three conditions here. Number one is red or blue, and we put it in the code. Then we put the and. After that, we have the size. The size should be medium, as you can see. This condition is in the example. Finally, the price. No more than $50. So we take 50 and less. That is why we put in the code less than or equal to $50. The word and here plays an important role, because if any condition is false or not achieved, then all of this will not work. The three conditions here, which are 1. Color, 2. Size, 3. Price, should all be achieved in order for this to work. If they are all achieved, then process. That means run this code. This code here is a compound statement. So we translated the paragraph here with the conditions inside of it into a code, and we put it all inside the if statement. If the three conditions are achieved, the return for this code is true and the code will run. If one condition is not achieved, then false, and the code will not run.